Hello, my name is Dmitry Chupilka and you are watching Integros YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you an example how to build a simple flowchart using the Logic Builder. For that purpose I have the environment of Demo Sugar, Logic Builder Demo, and I have a Logic Builder. So I would like to show you how to create the logic when the new node gets lead into the in-process status. For that purpose I have to import sugar metadata from the demo environment with all changes that have been made to this environment, if any had happened. And then I would like to create a new flowchart, give the name for this flowchart, and let's start. So whenever the node record is saved, so it means that I have to get the block on data change. Okay, whenever the node is saved, so after save I have to get the attributes of the records have been saved. Get entity attributes, the attributes of the nodes record. So I would like to get ID, I would like to get parent type, would like to get parent type ID, the record I would like to set into in-process status, and then I have to be sure that the node edit is really the new node. For that purpose I have to set the condition, check the condition if the record have been saved is really new. So true, and also there is need to be sure that the node have been added is related to the lead. For that purpose I have to add another condition. Okay, that the parent type of the records nodes refers to is really the lead. To check that I have to choose the value from the drop down. The drop down that is responsible for that parent type display, the lead. Okay, so that is another condition, and in case both conditions are true, to check it I have to add a branch operator. Means that the parent type is lead. Nope, not the branch. Cancel linking. I have to find an AND operator first. Okay. The result of comparing the parent type value with the lead is true, and the record is really new. So in this case we go to the branch. If this condition is true, we go further. It means that starting on data change the flows gets to the branch, and since we are here now we have to retrieve the entity of the parent ID, that is the lead record node related to. Retrieve entity, and which one what is the entity we would like to retrieve? We would like to retrieve the lead, the record of the leads module, using the ID. Okay. And finally we would like to set the new status for this lead, that for this lead. For that purpose we have to find the set entity attributes operator, and for this particular entity we have to set up the status. Status is a drop down value, so we have to find the appropriate drop down. The drop down for the lead status domain. And here is the in process. Fill out the status within process, and the last one is to save the lead, this entity. So the lead should be saved. And let's check the process flow. After the branch, in case of true, it goes to retrieve entity, then we goes to set entity attributes, and then we goes to save entity. Okay, so what do we have? On new node have been added the condition that the node is really new, and the node is related to the lead, that is condition that the node is related to the lead. In case both conditions are true, we go to the retrieve entity of the leads that is the parent to the node, and set the new status of in process for this lead, and save the entity. So it takes about 7 minutes, 7.5 to create the workflow. Let's save the workflow. Okay, and generate the package for that. Here is the package. Now we go to Sugar itself, switch to admin user to install the package. Okay, let's go to module loader and choose the package. Okay, here it is. Upload this package and install it. It will take a minute or two until the package will be installed. We have to wait. Okay, that's done, and try to check it how it works. Let's log out and log on as Jim. Here we are. Here is Iran Ramos recycled lead. Let's open it and add one node. new node. Okay, let's refresh the lead view, and we get the in-process status. Let's change the status to the recycled in order to be sure that just the new node gets the lead to the new status of in process, and edit the new node, save it, and check if the status is changed. No, it's still recycled. It means that editing of the node doesn't affect the status. But if we add one more node, okay, and refresh the view of the lead, okay, the status is in process. So it takes about 12 minutes to design the flowchart using Logic Builder and to install the code generated to the demo environment and check how it works. Thank you. That's all for now.